Hey everybody, Shu here. Just mere steps from the Burger King and across the street from the Bye Bye Baby in Bridgewater, New Jersey. There is a little plaque on the ground next to two big pylons or little upright things here. The little plaque here marks the location where World War I officially ended for the United States of America. I'm going to read a little insert from Atlas Obscura that explains this. Though the conflict was over in 1918, the U.S. Senate voted against ratifying the Treaty of I'm going to mess up some of these words, but I'm going to have to apologize. The Versailles, and joining the League of Nations in both 1919 and 1920. This meant the country remained enemies with Germany until the Knox-Porter Resolution was offered as an alternative to the treaty. With the president's signature, the resolution would officially end America's involvement in the Great War, but the president, Warren G. Harding, wasn't in Washington to sign the papers. He was staying with his longtime friend, I'll just put it down here, Senator Joseph S., however you want to say his last name. He was staying with him in the mansion, which these two uprights are all that's left of the mansion. He was actually here playing golf, which the golf course is still here. It's right across the street there. But the mansion once stood here. When the senator noticed the interstate was being built over here, he decided that the traffic was going to be too much, so he sold his property and moved elsewhere. And eventually the property got sold. They built all these stores here and they put up the plaque here. But the papers were delivered to the president here at this spot, and President Harding took a break from his golf game to sign the resolution and officially ended World War I. That is pretty cool. It goes on to say that today a plaque marks the spot where Harding signed the papers. It's framed by two 8-foot tall stone pillars that are all that remain of the senator's mansion. The senator and his family left the house when it became apparent that the highway traffic would only increase, and the mansion burned to the ground in the 50s. So, another piece of history here. I found this on Atlas Obscura. It is pretty cool. Get you the close-up of the plaque here. So if you want to come and visit this, it's pretty easy. Just look for the Burlington Coat Factory sign, and across the street is the Bye Bye Baby. So, hope y'all enjoyed this. We're going to get back on the road, see what else we can find. So until next time, y'all be safe out there.